Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg jhol, a comforting Bengali-style egg curry. This light and flavorful dish features hard-boiled eggs and tender potatoes simmered in a thin, aromatic gravy. It's a wonderfully satisfying meal, perfect for any day, and pairs beautifully with hot steamed rice or your favorite Indian flatbreads. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this delightful curry. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 4 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and with a few slits for flavor absorption. Also, prepare 2 medium-sized potatoes, cut into halves or quarters. For the gravy, have 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 1 large tomato, pureed or grated. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and your key spices, turmeric, red chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powders, along with salt and a touch of sugar. Now, let's craft the aromatic gravy. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and fry your hard-boiled eggs until they are light golden brown, then remove them. In the same oil, fry the potato pieces until golden and set aside. Next, sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns light brown. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Stir in the tomato paste, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin, and coriander powders, plus salt and a pinch of sugar. Cook until the oil separates, about 5 to 6 minutes. For the final steps, add the fried eggs and potatoes to your rich spice mixture. Pour in about 2 to 3 cups of warm water, ensuring everything is well combined. Bring the gravy to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, stir in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and garnish with fresh chopped coriander leaves. Serve your comforting egg jhol hot with steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.